Hello, in this video we are going to learn how we can create for free titles for YouTube, descriptions, and timestamps like the ones we have in this video, like look of YouTube, study traditional media, be smarter about linking, the flood method, the short to short, etc. So we are going to learn how to create all of this automatically with AI for free, because there is nothing worse that we have finished to record a YouTube video, then we have to go here, upload the video, and once we are uploading our video, then we have to manually start writing, okay, this is going to be my title, this is going to be my description. Now, let's go to see which timestamps can I add to my video so people know what I'm talking about in each section of my video. And we have to do all of this manually, one by one to all our videos. And that's a bit annoying, and also it's really time consuming. And I have found a way that we can do it for free, automatically with AI. And it will do it automatically for us. We don't have to worry about anything or anything else. So what do we have to do? First, we will go to a video that we have in our YouTube channel. For example, this one, or I can go to my channel, search for other YouTube videos, select the video that I want. It doesn't matter which video is it, or it's even better because what we can do is we can go to upload a video, then we can drop our video here, and in the last step, instead of just publishing the video, we can hide it or we can put it privately, and it will give us a YouTube link also to us. We will copy that link, like for example, imagine this is my channel. I will, hey, welcome, and let's see to buy unpublished video, so it can be unpublished. I will go then to videotalk.app. I will scroll down in videotalk.app. I will scroll down, and I will find here Tools AI YouTube Optimizer. I will click here on this tool, and it will open this page for me. In this page, we just have to go here, and where it says YouTube link, listed or unlisted, I will paste my YouTube video. And then here where it says video topic, optional, I can talk about what is my YouTube video. So if I come back to my video, it's about why running 100% AI generated faceless channel. So I'm going just to copy this topic and I will paste it here. Why I'm going to paste the topic here? This is quite important because what this tool is going to do, the AI YouTube generator from Videotok, it's going to do like a search in YouTube. It's going to see which videos are trending for this topic, and it will get the titles and the descriptions about these videos. So then when it gets our video and gets what is talking about our video, all the timestamps and everything for us, it will also compare it to other YouTube videos that are ranking already in YouTube, and it will be able to generate better titles and better descriptions for us. So once I have published here the video, and then I have published here the topic, I can click here on generate, and it will start thinking. And this is quite fast. So now it says that it's loading, and in a few seconds here, right now, here I have a title, how to create unique AI faceless videos that actually perform using Videotalk, title of AI faceless videos that get lost in the sea of generic content. In this video, I'm breaking down the secret of creating unique AI videos. And then here, I can see all the timestamps for my video. This is quite good because here I can just copy and paste everything when I'm uploading my video. So I will copy the title, I will go to YouTube, paste it, I will copy my description, copy, paste it, etc. And the same with the timestamps. And here at the bottom, we have these tags. So we can also just copy and paste them. The good thing is that, yeah, I can just copy and paste these tags because if I upload a video, because they have these commas, so each tag is separated already for me, then YouTube will identify them as unique tags, and I can just copy and paste, and it will be great for me. So here I will have all my information, and this works also for other YouTube videos. So for example, we search for another video that is not from us, but it's from another one else. I can go here,
step into
video. This is about how Formula 1 teams make money. I can just copy it. I can paste here and say Formula 1 teams money. and generate. Now it's validating the YouTube URL. It's thinking for me already, and it's going to give me the title, the description, the thumbnails, and the tags. And this is for free. So you have 3 generations each day. You can do it for 3 different videos. So here, for example, we can see everything. Here we have the title, Inside Formula One, How Things Make Millions and the Secret to Success, the description, and also the timestamps here for us. The good thing about this is we now have all these timestamps and everything. If we are not quite sure that the timestamps are super accurate or the minutes are not that perfect for us, we can change them. So as soon as we have this as a boilerplate, as a starting point, we can quickly change it to the things we are talking about. And the same with the title and with the description. So we have to use this just as the bare minimum, as the starting point. So once we have this description or once we have this title, then we can quickly modify it to something that it was better for us. But this is already saving us minutes for us for each video. So at the end of the month, if we upload 8 videos, this is going to save us just hours of work. So remember it. Go to videotalk.app, and then if you go to the bottom and you scroll down in videotalk.app, then you can click here in AI YouTube Optimizer. Also in the description section in this video, I'm going to leave the link directly to this tool, and also I'm going to give you a discount to use videotalk.app. So if you want to use videotalk.app, Videotalk is a platform that helps you to create faceless channels, so it creates videos for you, and it creates Reels, TikTok shorts, and also long horizontal videos. And you can try it, and you can use Videotalk to create videos like the examples they have here, or you can watch the other videos in my channel and see which kind of content you can create with it. So hope you like it. Leave me a comment if the tool has been helpful to you, and see you in another video.